I was out riding and my kickstand spring got weak. And it was letting my kickstand fall down. And I didn't have anything to replace it with. And I was trying to figure out how to tie it up or wire it up so that it wouldn't fall down. And I figured out a method, but it also works to stop the wire from falling through that little hook right there. And so here's what's going on. You put the kickstand up, and then that wire right there, you just bend it down. I don't have an extra hand right now, though my bike will tip over, but you get the point. You bend that down, and then you can bend it even further. Then it holds your kickstand up, but then when you put the kickstand down, it hooks it. So it's automatically in there. So when you get back on the bike, you put your kickstand up, and then while you're on it, you just take your other hand and then push that back down, but it works every time. Otherwise, if it came out, the wire would be flopping all over, which just happened to me. But that little teeny hook right there just grabs. So you just get back on the bike and you click that, and then you press your wire down, and it'll hold your kickstand up from falling down, so when you're in the corners and stuff, you don't crash. Anyway, that's the tip on how I fixed my kickstand spring while I was out on the road. On the side of I-5, kickstand almost came down and killed me. But now I'm back on the road again with a piece of stainless steel TIG welding wire. It's really bendable, it keeps on bending, but that's definitely going to get me home and keep me safe. So hopefully that tip helps you out if you have a kickstand spring that's broken or not working.